ever tried defeating a legend with bare knuckles? Well, don't try with me, cause I'm sure your family loves you. And
Nitty coming in and selling just a little bit of venom and injected a lot of the penicillin. Have you ever got a lobotomy from a villain? Teach you trigonometry, so I'ma make a killing.
Hold up for a minute, let me get up all up in it, I kill it, and I feel it when I'm always on the track, and I ain't never going back to the life. I was in the city grinding in the light with my seat back chilling.
You flow good, but I flow just a little better. I'm hotter than a woolly mammoth in a wool sweater. Go get her.
Music is a remedy, flow is in me naturally, something that was fit for me. See, I'm not the enemy. It's that feeling you get when you're born again. Put away childish ways and become a man. Handle your business, motherfucker.
D-Nice on the track like weaves and lace fronts. Bars so sick, see, they know I'm brilliant.
6 seconds to death, 5 of them bitches left. 4, king on the throne, 3, 2, I'm in the zone, 1.
I'm way better, try to tell these niggas sooner. I may weather the storm, yeah, just a little Bruner. Yeah, them shots fire out.
Hold on a minute, Virgin. You don't know, sir. Rastaman, I say, where they at, though? I'm say, which part them pussy all there?
That break a dash, do a backflip. Did I do that shit? This nigga look like Waldo Faldo with Urkel glasses. This can't be the battles, gotta be.